Yep, it's that time of the month again where I have to do deep analysis of my channels. First of all, wow. Overall, May has been an excellent month. I keep looking at the figures and thinking that they haven't increased much, but when I compare it to the previous month, the growth is staggering. Between 2 and 3kliksphilip, I gained over 6,000 new subscribers. Views on both channels have nearly doubled, and the comments and shares have also risen. What can I say? The 200,000 view per month mark seemed previously unobtainable, and now both of my accounts have surpassed that, with 3kliksphilip even breaking through the 300,000 view barrier. This is despite a week holiday that I took at the end of the month, where it was physically impossible to make videos. I don't mind, since it gives me a head start with this month where I plan to expand even more. 3kliksphilip is looking up. I discovered that I could combine my knowledge of CSGO with my mapping knowledge to create in-depth analysis of the weapons in CSGO. In May I released 2 of these videos, and together they gained more than 30,000 views and a large number of new subscribers. I was very pleased to see a player from Fnatic, one of the best CSGO teams in the world, following me on Twitter. Looks like I found a series that's interesting for all skill levels of players. The only problem is that, just like going low in CSGO, it consumes a large amount of time to make an episode, though I still consider it more worthwhile than smaller filler videos. Fortunately, Sloth Squadron over on Reddit has kindly offered to check my future videos and to make sure that there aren't any major errors in them. With this, I hope that Reddit will continue to enjoy my videos. I hope to release at least one of these videos a week for 3kliksphilip, and I'm sure that I'll be able to grow at an even faster pace than I did in May. It's not all positive news, however. 2kliksphilip is hitting some difficulties. Not massive ones, but the growth is slowing. This isn't too much of a shock to me. I didn't release any massive videos in May. The Deus Ex and Operation Flashpoint videos, I hope, will grow in time, just as my Morrowind video did. I didn't release any going low in CSGO videos either. No particular reason, I was just busy with other things. The series still dominated the views and subscribers list, netting me more of both than any other series could. I definitely need to try and make some for June. I did, however, release a How Will He Die every Wednesday until I went on holiday at the end. You can see that the comments have exploded for 2kliksphilip, and this is why. I got over 300 comments from my challenge videos where I challenged people to certain CSGO tasks. I made a stupidly easy one and everybody felt proud of completing it. So I released one that became really hard and the viewership dropped right off. Moral of the story, keep things easy so that everybody can be involved and keep it at one challenge at a time. Too many is too much hard work. I'll hopefully be refining this series in June. Gone completely from the top 10 subscriber attracting videos are the random videos that I make. These were never something that I wanted to rely on to build a channel since they tend to be too unstable. I do have over 24 hours of random funny CSGO clips that I've amassed since April, which I will be trawling through for funny video material, so hopefully this will also be on the rise in June. I find I get bored with the same things month on month, so I shake things up a bit so that every month is new and exciting for me to carry out. I feel that I neglected both my channels a bit in May, relying on previous content to drive progress. However, I did start a new series and discovered new opportunities for both channels which I hope to explore this month. I aim to make fewer, but better videos in June, with each one hopefully gaining more attention than several small ones could ever manage. It's a very exciting time, and we're not even into the summer yet. I've been manually adding and thanking thousands of people on my 3kliksphilip account for supporting my channel and have got some very interesting feedback. People at university are beginning to break up for the summer, and as we move into July and then August, this trend will continue and will hopefully grow my channels into even larger things. I'm very excited about this and can't wait to do the June analysis.